beautiful people. So I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to make these feedback videos. This video will not have the bells and whistles because I just wanted to show you the simplicity of it. Okay, it's just talking. Alright, first thing you need to do, come over here, click the microscope, and you're going to begin to search QuickTime. You type it in. You can press return or enter on your keyboard, or you could double click QuickTime. Alright, that'll bring you here. Now, since mine is recording, it's not giving me this option, but you need to do a screen recording. Alright, once you click File, Screen Recording, this, I'm showing you a screenshot, this will come up. So that you can record your screen and record your audio, you need to click this arrow and select built-in microphone. To make sure that it's working, just go, oh, la 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 la, something, and then your frequency of your voice will start to show right here. Then you know you're all set, okay?
Mr. Bay, I'm crazy.
Mr. Bay, crazy, you have a belt whistle? I see. All right, so as you can see, people will come in and you'll talk. But as long as the background noise doesn't compromise the video, you can just keep recording, okay? Now, your feedback is right here, and you're going, and you're simply just talking, and it's picking up all of the points that you're making, and you can have the visuals going. You can go to this website, you can do anything you want and show your students, okay? So that you can give them feedback. When you're done, you can just click this button right here. It will stop. You'll then be able to hit File, Save. It will go straight to your desktop, and then you simply attach it in an email, and that's it. Okay? All right. Hopefully this helps. If not, just email me if you want a more detailed video. Okay?